Hello viewers, welcome to Kriyash Food, the treasure to taste good food. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. For detailed recipe, please check out the description box. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make ras malai. This is one of my favorite dessert recipe. This recipe was originated in Bangladesh. And friends, let's get started.
The rasgulla has absorbed all the malai and its look very soft and spongy. To prepare this ras malai, I have taken 1 liter of condensed milk which is thick and creamy. After boiling the milk for about 10 minutes with low flame, I am adding 1 lemon to the milk. The only reason to add lemon to the milk is to separate the milk solids in water in the milk. Now, slowly we can see that the water and milk solids are getting separated. This is the main process of making rasgullas. After making rasgullas, we will be adding the same rasgullas to the malai so that it becomes ras malai. This is the stage where we can separate the milk solids in water. I am straining down to separate the milk solids from water. You can even use the cloth to strain out the waters and let it rest for a few minutes so that the water gets completely drained out. I did it this way to retain some moisture in the milk solids. Now I am transferring it to a plate where I can nicely mix well to get the smooth texture. Since there is some moist content in the milk solids, I am not adding any water to it. If it is very hard, you can add 2 spoons of water to make it soft and moist. Ensure that every grain of the milk solid is rubbed on the plate to get the smooth texture and keep continuing this rubbing process till 10 minutes. This is one of the secrets to make the best rasgullas. And another tip which I am giving you is take the plate which is very large and so that your hands can move quickly and fastly to make this process. In middle of this process, I am adding 1 spoon of corn flour to get the thickness. And instead of corn flour, you can even use maida, that is all-purpose flour. Friends, now you can see how the dough has become very soft and very smooth, which is ready to make rasgullas. Instead of making round rasgullas, I am making a small round patties which will best suit to make ras malai. To make sugar syrup, I am adding 1 bowl of sugar, but with the same bowl I am adding 3.5 cups of water to it. Boil the sugar syrup until the sugar gets dissolved in it and the bubbles have started to form. Now at this stage I have started to add all rasgullas which I had made. Boil this rasgullas for about 20 minutes by closing the lid, and please ensure that the flame is not too high. After boiling it for 20 minutes, you can observe that the rasgulla has increased in its size and it has fluffed enough. Now I am taking this rasgullas off and preparing malai for the rasgullas. To prepare this malai, I have taken half liter of condensed milk, for which I am adding a kesari, which was soaked in milk for an half an hour. Now for this I am adding a half a tablespoon of turmeric. Keep boiling this milk in a low flame. For this milk I am adding a dry fruits which is nicely chopped, that is badam and pistachios. Allow the dry fruits to get nicely soaked in the milk. After boiling malai for about 15 minutes, the malai is ready. Now let's remove some of the sugar syrup from rasgullas and keep it aside. Make this process to all rasgullas. I am doing this for the rasgullas to get nicely soaked in rasmalai. Now I am adding all the rasgullas into the malai. After adding all rasgullas into the malai, allow it to rest in the refrigerator for about 3 hours and it is ready to be served. And friends, I hope you like the process of making this rasmalai. Please hit the bell icon to get continuous notification of my channel. Thanks for watching, viewers. Bye bye. Meet you in the next video.